Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through a 5-minute meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. Find a quiet place and let's begin. Start by sitting comfortably, either on a chair or on the floor. Ensure your back is straight but not stiff. Close your eyes gently. If that's uncomfortable, simply lower your gaze. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each breath. Don't try to change your breathing, simply observe it. As you breathe, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. Acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine your thoughts are like clouds passing by in the sky. Let them float on without getting carried away. If you find yourself getting caught up in a thought, gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Each time you notice your mind wandering, it's an opportunity to practice bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Continue focusing on your breath for the next few minutes. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Feel any tension in your body melt away with each exhale. Relax your shoulders, your jaw, and your forehead. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, without any expectations or judgments. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few deeper breaths and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take in your surroundings. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this 5-minute meditation. Practice regularly for stress reduction and improved well-being. Consider subscribing to our channel for more guided meditations and wellness tips.